All right, so we finally got the 2016 TRD Pro 4-wheel drive Tacoma sold. I'm actually taking it down to the car wash right now to get her cleaned up a little bit. But man, I mean, this definitely is probably one of my most favorite Tacoma trucks that I've ever been able to sell while working in the car business. I mean, this thing is loaded. You talk about some cool features. I'm gonna show it to you just real quickly before we take it back down to the store here after the car wash and let you see it. I mean, talk about some upgrades, it's got them. So if you haven't seen the full review on it on the channel, definitely go back and check that out. It probably was shot maybe about 2-3 weeks ago. Anyways, it's definitely a cool truck. I mean, we're sitting up about 4.5, 5-inch lift on it, bigger tires, beadlock wheels. I mean, it's got like all the right parts for a 4-wheel drive Tacoma, so I like it. Yeah, the young guy that actually owned this truck owned it since it was brand new back in 2016, and he told me he put about 7,000-8,000 into you know, the upgrades and all that. I mean, in reality, 7-8 grand, that's a lot of money in upgrades for sure. I know there's a lot of people out there going, man, I dumped 12, 15, 20,000 into my truck. I get it, you know. There's so much you can do to vehicles, especially when you got 4-wheel drive on them. I mean, goodness gracious, the list can go on and on and on for upgrades. But what I like about this one, it's got the BFG KO2 tires, which are nice. I think they're like a 33, right around there. I'd like to see it with a set of 35s on it. That would have really set it off. I think it's got 17-inch Vision wheels with beadlocks on them. And, you know, you got your lift kit. New Freedom, I think it's a Freedom lift kit with spring shocks, and then you got new control arms and all that. But I think my favorite thing about it though is it's got the body armor front and rear bumpers. It's got a winch built in, and a new grille and all that. It really makes it look you know, on point. I'll tell you, it's crazy right now. We are in April 2021, and towards the end of April, and when I say it's crazy in the car business, at least, I ride by so many used car lots, you know, up and down the roads in Charleston here, and I'm telling you right now, there is a lot, and I mean a lot, of used car lots that don't have a whole lot of inventory. I mean, they probably got bought up, you know, all their cars got bought up or bought out, you know, with over the last month and a half. Last month in March was like a record-breaking month at our store, but also at many other car dealerships all over the country. So everybody was rocking and rolling. I mean, you had all that stimulus money going on. People are starting doing tax returns. I don't even think the tax return money has really even hit the banks in people's accounts just yet. But I mean, the stimulus money, after Biden got in house, when he did that third round of stimulus money, I mean, families were bringing home thousands of dollars, and everybody was going out car shopping. So unfortunately, a lot of used car lots just don't have a whole lot of used cars because they sold all of them. And then right now, the prices of pre-owned vehicles have skyrocketed. So, you know, a lot of dealers are probably like, hey, I'm not going to go buy cars or certain cars or this many cars because I don't want to overpay for them and all of that. And I get it, you know, I really do. Thankfully, where I'm at, we still got a lot of cars, and my boss man really goes out there and buys up the vehicles and gets the right stuff for us. But we're at the car wash, so let's take the Tacoma in. I hope everything, I hope it can get through the car wash okay. I don't think a lift kit and all is going to affect it. So, and it doesn't have any roof racks or anything crazy like that on it. So let's take a look and see what happens. All right, heading into the car wash here, right? Yeah, with the Tacoma. So anyways, yeah, I mean, this Tacoma's got some lift on it, but obviously it passed the clearance to go in. So what do I like about the 2016 Tacoma? Well, I'll tell you, I love the layout on the inside. It's really sweet. Got this nice big nav screen in here, the red, you know, good looking area down here. All your colors at night look really nice and all that. Gauges look good. Goodness gracious. This one even getting a sunroof up top. And then right up in here, this is kind of cool. All your four-wheel drive controls and things like that right up in here. You got the crawl mode, which is right there. Four-wheel drive. Oh, man. The sunroof was cracked just a little bit. Now, yesterday I was going through here and it was putting all this soap and all this stuff all over the car. I'm like, where's it all at right now? I don't see all the cool colors that I saw yesterday. I don't know. Maybe there was something different I did. But maybe we're just getting the old regular car wash here with just water. But anyways, yeah, all the four-wheel drive stuff is kick butt on the Tacoma. But I've heard this crawl mode is really cool. So I haven't able to check that one out, but yeah. Pretty sweet. All right, let's get through this car wash so I can pull out real quick and show you what this bad boy looks like. Show it to you real quick. That's her. Looking pretty good. Yeah, sweet. Got the winch, got the LED lights. Headlights look pretty cool. I like the color. Tires. Freedom Off-Road right up in there. The Tiger bars down the back. TRD Off-Road. Man, she cleaned up quite nicely. That's what I do, man. We do this for the customers. We really do. You know, it's all about customer service at the end of the day, making sure your car's clean, making sure it's got gas, all that stuff. All right, let's head on down to the store. Thanks to Zip's Car Wash right here in North Charleston. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Looking for a Tacoma. Well, we just sold this one, but we got more coming.